Hello guys, and once again welcome back to my page. So in today's video we'll be making liquid soap together. We'll be making a very powerful multi-purpose liquid soap. Most people know this as liquid detergent. You can see how beautiful and how thick this is. I'll teach you guys how to make this from scratch to finish. I will show you my recipe and my formulation. So if this is your first time coming to my page, please do well by following me and please share this video. Oh yeah, let's start. So over here displayed on my work table are the chemicals I'll be using to produce these 20 liters of liquid soap. Don't forget, I'm producing 20 liters of liquid soap. So just watch and learn. So I'll start dissolving each of the chemicals one after the other. That is the soda ash. I'm making use of 200 grams. I'll dissolve it in water. Learning how to produce things like this is very helpful because you know that these soap are actually very expensive in the market, so you can produce them for house use and save a lot of money, or you produce them and embark into the business and start cashing out. So you can use this liquid soap for saving money in terms of producing for house use, or use it to start up a business by selling liquid soap. The next chemical I'll be dissolving is the sulfonic acid, that is 50 cl, which is half a liter, and the texapon. So I'll be dissolving both chemicals together in the same container. So just watch and see how I'm going to dissolve them. So like I said before, liquid soap is actually very lucrative. A lot of organizations and people use liquid soap. Liquid soap is used in churches, in schools, in banks, in restaurants, in hotels. There is no place they don't use liquid soap. So learning this kind of skill will help you or will empower you into having a very great handwork. With this, you can start selling it, customize it, package it very beautiful, and you start selling, or you use it or produce it for house use and save money, because soap is expensive. So once you produce for house use, you save money. What you would have budgeted to buy soap in the market, use that money to do other better things. So I'll be dissolving the next chemical. This chemical is called SLS. The full name for it is called sodium lauryl sulfate. That's 400 grams. Now, each of these chemicals have their purpose. They have their job they do in the soap. Some of them help the soap to foam or lather very well. Some of them help the soap to remove stain, that is to clean, which they can call them cleaning agents. Then some of them are thickener or thickening agents. So each of the chemicals have their purpose. They have their role they are playing, or they have special roles they are playing in your liquid soap. So the next chemical I'll be dissolving is called the sodium sulfate, which is 250 grams. So if you want to learn more about liquid soap, the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the perfume, the bleach, the Dettol, if you want to know what each of these chemicals are doing, if you want to study more and learn more, do well by joining my online class. In my online class, you will learn how to produce these things like a pro. You will learn these things and you become a pro, because it's always good to harness knowledge and know why you are doing something than doing something ignorantly. Ignorance is a disease. So if you know what each of these chemicals are doing in your liquid soap, you have a higher or a better advantage than somebody just producing liquid soap like that without knowing what those chemicals are doing. And you will learn this better when you join my online class. The next chemical I'll be dissolving is called the STPP, which is called sodium tripolyphosphate, and I'm making use of 150 grams. I'll dissolve it in water. Everything I'm using, I'm dissolving them in water. That liquid I'm using is called water. You can use any water. You can use tap water. You can use even rain water. Any water will work. Just use it and dissolve and make your soap. So that is the caustic soda. I'm making use of 2 tablespoons. When you are making liquid soap, don't use plenty caustic soda. 2 tablespoons like this for these measurements is okay. We are making 20 liters of liquid soap. Don't forget, this measurement is for 20 liters of liquid soap. So I am done dissolving all the necessary chemicals. Now I will start mixing all of them together in these 15 liters of water. So the very first chemical I will be dissolving is the nitrosol. I'm making use of 130 grams of nitrosol. I'll dissolve it inside that 15 liters of water. When you dissolve nitrosol, you have to make sure you mix it very well until it has completely dissolved. You have to mix it very well till it has completely dissolved, and it has to be dissolved inside that 15 liters of water. So the water has to be plenty, 15 liters of water, so that it will not form lumps. You don't want your liquid soap to form lumps, so you just follow this instruction. Dissolve it in plenty water, like 15 liters of water, and make sure everything has completely dissolved. You mix it till it has completely dissolved. After it has dissolved, you pour in your caustic soda solution. That is the caustic soda that I dissolved previously. I'm going to pour it inside now. So the next chemical I'll be putting in is the soda ash. So don't forget, make sure you follow this pattern. When you pour in your caustic soda inside the dissolved nitrosol, the next chemical you are pouring in is your soda ash. After the soda ash, the next chemical you'll be pouring in is the STPP. So you can see, I follow the pattern. Caustic soda first, soda ash next, then STPP next. After that, the next chemical I'll be pouring in is the sulfonic acid and methexapone. That's the next chemical I'll be pouring in. So just follow that pattern. The pattern I'm using in this video, follow it so that your liquid soap will come out very beautiful. The final production of your liquid soap is going to be very beautiful and very thick. You don't want to have problems after you produce your liquid soap. So follow this pattern I'm showing you. It's very easy. Now the next chemical I'll be pouring in is the sodium sulfate. So this thing is actually very easy. It's not hard. But if you want to learn more, if you want to become a pro in formulating, do well by joining my online class. There you will learn how to produce these things very well. Even laundry bar soap, you'll learn it very well. So the next thing I'll be adding is the liquid foam booster. It's not everybody that usually use foam booster, but it's optional. You can choose to add it, you can choose not to add it. It is just what to make your liquid soap to have that extra foaming power or that extra ladder. So it's optional, it's not really a necessity. You can choose to add it, you can choose not to add it. If your customers want something that will foam very well, you can choose to add the liquid foam booster. So I've added it inside. I'll keep on stirring. Now what I want to add next is my preservative, which is the sodium benzoate. You need to add preservative so that your liquid soap will not have, and the smell or the fragrance will not later change and start smelling bad, or the color will not change. So preservative will help your liquid soap to stay intact for a very long time and to not spoil. So that's my preservative. I've poured it inside. I'm going to dissolve it in water. I'll dissolve it in water. So you can check the description of this video for the link where you can join our online class. There you will learn how to make things like the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the liquid soap, the shower gel, the bleach, the Dettol, the powder detergent, the hair cream. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. So do well by checking the link of this video. You find check the video description. You find the link where you can join the training. If you have issues joining through the link, you can reach me on any of these phone numbers displayed here. Just chat me on WhatsApp. Message me on WhatsApp to join the training group if you have issues joining through the video link that is at the video description. So I'll keep this for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, this is the result. So the next thing I want to be pouring inside is my color, then the fragrance. You can use any color of your choice. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Don't forget, use any color of your choice. Use any fragrance of your choice. Make sure your color is water soluble. Don't use oil soluble color. Use water soluble color. And this is my fragrance. I'm pouring it inside. That my fragrance, I use the mixture of tangerine and orange. I used tangerine and orange. I mixed them together, and it gave me a very nice sweet flavor or scent. So I poured it inside. You can see my liquid soap is ready. At this point, you can now choose to package it. Don't forget to join the online class. So if you want to learn more, chat me on WhatsApp. That's the phone number to reach me on WhatsApp. Just chat me on WhatsApp to join the class. There you will learn a lot of skills. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. You will not regret that you joined that class. So I hope I see you all there. So you can see how thick this my liquid soap is, and very beautiful. Very thick and very beautiful. So this is what people in the market or any place you are selling, this is the kind of quality they will need. So in the next screen, I will show you guys the soap equipment we produce at my workshop. We have soap equipment for sale. Just in case you are a soap maker and you are looking for equipment to up your soap making business, you want to make your soap look beautiful and unique, then purchase our equipment. I'll be showing you how the equipment look like, and they are very affordable and very easy to use. So you can reach me on that phone number there to purchase our equipment. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to your location. We are not scammers. This is not a scam zone. We are a legit business people. So chat me on WhatsApp to purchase our equipment. You can see how beautiful they look. Very beautiful, very easy to use, very lovely. You can see we have soap molds, we have soap cutters, we have soap stamps, we have soap groove makers. We have a lot. Also, just in case you will not have time to join my online class, you can do it by purchasing my ebook. I have a very lovely ebook that has a lot of recipes and formulation on how to make stuff like the body soap, the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the bleach, the perfume, and all sorts. Just reach me on WhatsApp with that phone number to purchase the ebook. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and follow me. Goodbye.